Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 25th of August 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the S&P 500 for the upcoming expiry on the 29th of August. The max Y levels have increased for CE and PE. That's two positives. That's positive. Quantity is higher for CE. That's positive. Quantity change in percent is higher for PE, so that's negative. The short squeeze is higher for CE. That's positive. PCR is extremely high at 3.05. That's negative. Implied volatility is lower. That's positive. Historical volatility is higher. That's negative. RSI is higher. That's positive. There is no divergence. That's positive. MACD is positive. DMI is bullish. That's positive. ADX is lower. That's negative. ATR is lower. That's positive. Both EMAs are higher. That's two positives. Pivot points and candlestick are also bullish. That's all for. Before the new support is 6,450. The previous support was 6,350. The new resistance is 6,500, and the previous resistance was 6,400. The overall prediction for the S&P 500 is that it goes up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.